All right, everybody, today I'm gonna make a dish that's very popular at baby showers, at least the baby showers I go to. If you're from LA, then you know about this enchilada pie. If you've ever had enchilada pie, all it is a taco pie, something like that, using enchilada sauce. Let me know in the comments if you ever had this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Fairly easy. You're just building layers of flavor. Some people just do ground beef, sauce, cheese. I do a little extra. We'll get to that later. Before you cook any beef, make sure your skillet is piping hot. My skillet has been on for a couple minutes. Midway through cooking the ground beef, I add my diced onions, and I also add a little bit of cilantro. All right, now we're gonna add our seasonings. We have my own little blend. This is onion powder, garlic powder, chicken bouillon, cumin, paprika, chili powder, and black pepper. Now, my family loves cheese, especially Velveeta. Yeah, the fake cheese y'all be talking about. They love it. I put it in my meat. It makes it creamy and it adds a little bit more flavor. And before I pour this in, I'm gonna let you know, I did a tablespoon of every seasoning that I named. And so far we have 2.5 pounds of ground beef and a half of a diced onion. Now, as far as the cilantro, that's up to you. And this is how you want it to look right here. That's how you want it to look. If you can smooth it out like that, it's ready. All right, now we're gonna fry our shells. Now, I know what you're thinking, oh, it's too much grease. Yes, it is. This is not a healthy dish. But I've seen people just throw dry tortillas in, and the sauce, it just makes it real mushy. It doesn't hold, and it's not a pie. The grease toughens up these tortillas. So I'm just gonna do a light fry on them. All right, now we're ready to build the enchilada pie. This is the only part I like about it. I make it fairly easy. We have two 20-ounce cans of our red enchilada sauce. I didn't make it from scratch because I want it to be easy for you to make. I put sweet corn in mine. I don't know, I'm telling you, it adds that sweetness. It's a sweet and savory dish. I have my green onion. I'm gonna top it off with these sliced black olives. Have my cheese, and then half of my tortillas I cut in half. I'm gonna show you why. I'm gonna put a small layer of sauce. So I'm gonna put a row of 4. I'm gonna put it against the sides of the pan. Now I'm gonna add a layer of my meat. Add a layer of cheese. Add some corn. Add some green onions. And I'm gonna add some more sauce. Some more of our tortillas, and we're just gonna repeat this. I usually do 2 layers. That's all you need. Even with 2 layers, it's still gonna be huge. All right, now we have our first layer down. I just press down a little bit just to flatten it. Then we add our second layer. All right, we're just gonna repeat everything. All right, our last layer. You don't want to add too much sauce. You really don't need 2 cans. You need like 1 1/3. This is fine. Add some more cheese. Those black olives, you don't have to add black olives. I love them on this dish, but I don't want them on every layer. I'm gonna add the rest of this meat on top. I'm gonna just drizzle a little bit more. And I'm gonna add just a little more cheese. $375, 35 minutes. Look at that. All right, so actually at me and my wife's baby shower, I served this enchilada pie, but I did it a little different. I added a cheese sauce. So I'm gonna make a cheese sauce. I'm gonna duplicate exactly what I made for my baby shower. So I just put a half stick of butter in. I'm gonna put about 1/4 cup flour, tablespoon of chicken bouillon, some cheese, milk, real quick. The key is hot milk. You don't want cold milk. You want it to thicken fast. It's real fast. It's how you make a good cheese sauce. Start pouring that hot milk in. Now watch how fast it thickens. Look at that. That's why you use hot milk. I keep stirring because if you don't, it's gonna come out lumpy. And once it's at your desired thickness, you just cut your fire down, then add your cheese.
If you have been following for a long time, if you've been to our baby shower, then you know about this dish.
And a lot of y'all was at our baby shower. It was something of a public baby shower.
Low key.
And I made about 6 large, long pans of this.
And y'all marked it.
Man.
There was not one crumb.
Nothing.
Nothing left. Like, you would have thought this was a turkey giveaway.
Oh God.
How much the food didn't last. I don't even think it was out an hour.
Hey, but shout out to y'all because everybody brought us diapers and we didn't have to buy not 1 case of diapers. So.
Literally until when it was time to potty train Papa. That's when we had to start buying diapers. But here we go. Oh my God.
I need a bite. Give me a bite.
Oh, you want a bite?
Yeah, I ain't ate all day.
Oh, you hungry?
Yeah, you blinking and shit.
Y'all gotta have the cheese sauce though.
Yeah,
like,
the cheese sauce.
you know, this ain't a traditional enchilada pie.
And you seen the steps I did to do this.
What Papa say? Delicious.
Oh my God.
And then it's like you still get the authentic Mexican, you know, the cilantro, the onions. Like, this ain't the ghetto, you know, enchilada pie, you know, with just the ground beef. We got some Mexican flavor in here.
And the sweet corn adds that sweetness to it. Another thing that adds a little bit of sweetness to it is the pico, because I made the pico with cherry tomatoes. So, yeah.
You know how usually I say we don't eat content?
Yeah.
I'm eating this
Yeah,
tonight.
we eating this.
Mikey, everybody eating this
Everybody
tonight.
eating this. Well, I don't know. I got something on the stove.
Oh. Well, this will be my late night snack tonight.
Oh, so if you've ever had this, or if you want to really try it, let me know in the comments. I'm going to have the recipe in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Bang, bang.
My nigga, enjoy.